Morning everyone. So it's on Sunday 31st of December, it's New Year's Eve. We've come down to plant some bulbs in some of the pots I've got, and we've also come down to make some repairs to the polytunnel. We found out last week that at the very top where the wood joists are inside, it's been rubbing with all the storms that we had last week and the week before, and there's a little hole so big. So we've got some sticky roll stuff that we can make a repair on that. But I'm going to plant these bulbs first, and then we're going to have a toddle up there. So we've got hyacinth blue jacket, 3 bulbs of that. And I've got some crocus golden yellow, a few little bulbs of that. I'm going to put them in these pots. So I'm just going to put these bulbs in here. Put this one in the middle of this little pot here. Not much soil in this one, but that will do. Yeah, I've got 3 left. Probably find another home for them 3. So we've left there. Now on the way to the first plot. But we're going to walk up. But as you can hear, I'm absolutely ill and I haven't got the strength. So we're going up in the van.
And they drive through.
Okay. Well, it's just on that side. It's not very big, but it's big enough and it needs repairing. I'm not getting up the ladders though because I don't like heights. That's a job for Eric.
Yeah.
There, so you can see on the top where this wood has been screwed into the blue piping, they've put like sticky foam stuff on the outside to stop the screws and everything rubbing. But over the years it's become brittle and hard, and I think that's what's caused it. But this is we're going into our 3rd year down here, and it's the first like major damage we've had, apart from that little greenhouse that was down the bottom that blew away,
Which is pretty major.
which is pretty major, yeah, because it was just all ripped to shreds. But yeah, I'm going to make this repair today and then get up home. So the stuff we've got, it's not very sticky. But I think it'll do till the summer. Eric says he's found another rip at the back as well. Oh, is there? Well, can I get her at the back? Oh. So that's that job done, even though it hasn't been done properly, because the stuff we've got's not very good. But yeah, just a New Year's Eve update. I've been ill the whole holidays. Back to work on Tuesday, so I'm hoping I feel a bit better by then. We hope the polytunnel holds up till then as well. We're going to get some tape, even if it's just duct tape or whatever, to put over the top of it. But yeah, we think that'll hold for now. So Happy New Year everyone, and we'll see you in the next one. Bye.